All right, we made it. Congratulations, we're on the other side. Happy New Year. New year, new resolutions, and surprise, surprise, about 12 new shiny diets trending on social media right now. One day it's keto, the next is intermittent fasting, and then we're eating paleo, then we just have to eat tons of meat because we're on the carnivore diet. What is next? It's just ridiculous. And we've all been there, scrolling through our social media feeds, staring at the before and after photos, thinking, this is it. This is the magic fix I've been waiting for. But spoiler alert, the magic doesn't come from some trendy program or miracle powder. Here's the thing. Our bodies don't need gimmicks. They don't need trends. And they definitely don't need you blending kale with matcha and calling it a lifestyle. Your body has been designed with an inbuilt reset button that doesn't require any fancy smoothies or complicated meal plans. It's simple, timeless, and has literally existed since the dawn of humanity. It's called water fasting. Now, I know this isn't some Instagrammable solution that you were hoping for. It's not sexy, it's not covered in edible flowers, and you definitely won't find anyone hashtagging water fasting with aesthetic berries. But you know what? It bloody works. And that, my friend, is as Aussie as I'll ever get. Water fasting isn't a trend. It's biology at its finest. It's healing at its core. And today I'm going to show you why it's the ultimate reset for your mind, body, and spirit, especially as we kick off this brand new year. Welcome to Water Fasting with Nat. I'm Nat, your friendly neighborhood fasting fanatic, here to teach you how to live longer, look younger, and feel amazing. We're talking fat burning on autopilot, inflammation smashed to bits, and maybe even hitting the undo button on those pesky health problems, like aging symptoms or metabolic train wrecks. There's no fluff here, just real talk, some pretty cool science, and plenty of laughs, hopefully. So grab your water bottle, smash that subscribe button, and let's dive into a video on how water fasting could be your superpower this year. Why water fasting is the ultimate reset. Okay, let's get real. New Year's resolutions are definitely tricky. They start with the best of intentions, but often fade by mid-January. Maybe not even mid-January, maybe a few days into January. But it's not your fault. Life happens. You try to cut out the sugar, you do the meal prep really religiously, or you hit the gym daily. But it's really actually hard to stay consistent, and I can 100% relate to that. And that's why water fasting is such a powerful reset. It doesn't just help you shed those extra holiday pounds or undo the damage from December's cookie binges. It actually helps your body heal from the inside out, naturally, effectively, and efficiently. And here's the beauty of it. Unlike most resolutions, the benefits of water fasting show up fast. In just 3 days, your body undergoes incredible transformations. You'll feel clearer, lighter, and more energized, and basically back in control of your health. So let's dive into the science of why water fasting isn't just another passing health hack, it's actually the real deal. So when you're water fasting, your body does some truly extraordinary things. Here's the breakdown of the magic. Number 1, your insulin drops and your fat burning begins. So every time you eat, even a tiny snack, your body releases insulin. Now, insulin's main job is to regulate your blood sugars and, unfortunately, store fat. That's right, insulin is your body's fat stashing hormone. But when you stop eating, insulin levels drop like a rock. And once insulin gets out of the way, your body flips like a switch and starts burning fat for fuel. So you can think of it like clearing out a traffic jam so your fat burning machine can hit the open highway. Number 2, autophagy, your body's cleaning crew. So after about 24 to 36 hours, so that's 1 day to 1.5 days of fasting, something incredible happens. It's called autophagy. Now this is a pretty fancy term, I get that, and it's a little bit sciencey, but this is like your body's spring cleaning mode. It cleans out all the old damaged cells, the kind that contribute to inflammation and disease and aging, and it recycles all of them. So imagine throwing out all the broken, useless junk in your house and replacing it with shiny, brand new furniture. Everyone loves that feeling. So this is autophagy in a nutshell. And the best part, this process reduces your risk of chronic illnesses like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even cancer, while slowing down the aging process. Yes, fasting is basically your DIY anti-aging tool. And number 3, ketones, your brain's super fuel. So after 48 hours, 2 days, your body transitions fully into fat burning mode, running on ketones instead of glucose. Ketones are like the rocket fuel for your brain. So you can forget the afternoon slumps. You're actually going to feel sharp, focused, and surprisingly energized on a water fast. I know this goes against everyone's beliefs about water fast. The hunger pains are actually going to start to fade away. Your mood actually stabilizes, and you'll wonder why you ever relied on food for comfort in the first place. And number 4, stem cell production and immune boosting. So by 72 hours, 3 days, your body starts producing new stem cells. So stem cells are like your body's repair crew. They regenerate your tissues, they replace damaged cells, and they supercharge your immune system. So think about it. In just 3 days, you're actually rebuilding your entire immune system. So if you've been dealing with symptoms like inflammation or long-term COVID, this can definitely be life-changing. So fasting isn't just about losing weight, although yes, that sounds like a lovely side effect. It's about reclaiming your health, resetting your body, and feeling like you again. So here's a couple of quick bullet points about what fasting can do for you. It can burn stubborn fat and improve insulin sensitivity. It can reduce inflammation, which therefore reduces your chronic pain and your stiffness. It can boost anti-aging hormones, which gives you glowing skin and youthful energy. It can regenerate your immune system, making you feel more resilient. It can lower your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. And it can reset your relationship with food, breaking your emotional eating patterns. No diet plan, pill, or superfood can offer these kinds of all-round benefits. Water fasting is absolutely the real deal. And if you're finding these insights inspirational, please give the video a big thumbs up. It really helps YouTube show this video to more people, which hopefully helps them get inspired about water fasting and heal through water fasting as well. All right, so you might be intrigued about starting water fasting, but also slightly terrified. How do you even start a water fast without feeling like you're going to pass out or die of hunger? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a few tips here. Number 1, ease into it. This is a really important one. You do not want to dive headfirst into a fast after eating non-stop beforehand. Start by eating light, whole foods for a day or two before the fast. Think soups, salads, juices, smoothies, stir fries. This gives you plenty of fruits and vegetables into your diet and also gives your digestive system a bit of a break to make that transition a lot smoother. Number 2, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. During your fast, water is actually your best friend, funnily enough. Aim for about 3 to 4 liters a day to stay hydrated and, more importantly, to support your kidneys because they're the ones doing all the detox work. So you can also add things like salt and potassium and magnesium, some electrolytes to support your system and also feel more energized. Number 3, distract yourself. Fasting isn't just physical, it's very, very much mental. So take this time to reflect, do some journaling, meditate, or set your intentions for this year. And if you're feeling restless, go for a gentle walk or maybe watch that Netflix series you've been waiting to catch up on. But just distract yourself in some way that feels really pleasurable to you. Baths are definitely a really good one as well. And number 4, break your fast gently. So when your fast ends, don't rush in and just eat a whole bunch of food. Start with light, nourishing foods like fruits and vegetables, some soups. Incorporate good quality protein to also build up your new stem cells as well. So if you don't add protein, good quality protein at the end of your fast, those stem cells that you've been creating throughout your fast are actually going to turn into fat cells. Big warning. So we want to feed them with some good quality protein, and that will make sure that they go and do the job they're meant to do, which is actually rebuild the cells that you want rebuilt. Okay, so here's the truth. Diets are exhausting. Counting calories, weighing portions, obsessing over every bite. It's no way to live. Water fasting is simple. No meal prep, no calorie maths, no overthinking, just you and water. Most importantly, it's about giving your body the break that it needs to heal itself, because your body is either digesting food or it's healing itself. So by taking food away, we make sure that there's 100% energy going into healing. Plus, diets don't address the root cause of our health issues. They focus on what you're eating, not when you're eating. So fasting works because it lets your body take a break from digestion so it can focus on repairing and rejuvenating 100% of the time. Fasting isn't a punishment. It's actually a gift to your body. And if you can make that mental shift, this was a really big one for me. I was a couple of fasts in, and I realized that I was really feeling like fasting was a punishment. But as soon as I saw the gift of it and I changed that up, it really did change the way that I approach fasting and how much I enjoy fasting as well. So really take note of that. So let's make this year your healthiest year yet. Fasting can feel intimidating, especially if you've never done it before. But trust me, it's easier than you think. And the benefits, 100% totally worth it. This is your year. It's full of new health potential and wellness dreams. And water fasting is the tool that can help you unlock those. So if you're ready to take the next step, let me help you do it safely and effectively. So by becoming a Freedom Faster with us, you'll get access to my comprehensive course that's going to walk you through everything you need to know about water fasting from the very beginning right through to the end, plus direct access to me in our members forum where I'm going to answer all of your questions. So jump on over to freedomfasters.com and I'll also drop the link down below. And remember, fasting isn't all or nothing. It's all or something. So even 24 hours can have incredible benefits. So if you start small, build up your fasting muscle, before you know it, you're going to be doing 3-day fast like a pro. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, most vibrant life this year through water fasting. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay hydrated and stay amazing.